Welcome to magicmealtime.com beta test instructions.
All right, welcome. Think of this less like a boring set of instructions and more like your official mission briefing. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to be one of the very first people to test out the brand new Magic Mealtime app. Let's dive right in.
So you might be wondering, what is Magic Mealtime anyway? Well, it's our new app designed to finally answer that age-old question, what's for dinner? It's here to help you plan your meals, find awesome new recipes, and even put together your grocery list all in one spot. Easy, right?
And here's the really cool part. You are one of the very first people on the planet to ever try this app. No joke. That's why your feedback isn't just helpful, it's absolutely crucial.
So yeah, that makes you a beta tester. But for us, that means you're basically a partner. Your job? To help us find all the little quirks, the bugs, maybe even the things that are totally brilliant, so we can get this app ready for the big launch.
Okay, let's get to the most important part of this whole mission. And I'm serious. If you only remember one thing from this entire briefing, make it this next part.
So, you might be asking, what's the secret sauce? How do I give you guys the best, most useful feedback possible?
All right, full disclosure. The way we're going to do this might feel a little backward. It might even seem like you're doing it in the wrong order, but just trust me on this, okay? It is the absolute key to everything.
And here it is, the golden rule. Use the survey as your guide. Don't just play around in the app and then fill out the survey later. No, think of that survey as your to-do list, your step-by-step mission guide that tells you exactly what to do and when to do it.
All right, now that you've got the golden rule down, let's get your gear ready. We'll call this the pre-flight checklist, just to make sure you're ready for takeoff.
First up, go ahead and open that survey link we sent you. Just let it sit there in its own browser tab. Then, in a second tab, open up the Magic Mealtime web app. Having both open makes it super easy to flip back and forth between your instructions, the survey, and the app itself.
And here's the address for the web app, www.magic-mealtime.com. Just pop that into your second tab, and you'll be good to go.
Now, this is a private party, so you can't just walk in. You're going to need a secret promo code to get past the velvet rope.
And here is your secret code. It's MMT Beta 1. That's MMTBETA and the number 1, all one word. You'll pop that in when you sign up, and you're in.
Look, we know you're busy, so we've made this whole mission super quick. From start to finish, you should be done in about, say, 10 to 15 minutes, tops.
And here's kind of how that time breaks down. The bulk of it, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, is you actually in the app, clicking around. And the other 3 to 5 minutes, that's just for answering the questions back in the survey. Super simple.
Okay, so let's talk about the actual how-to part of the test. We call this the core mission loop, and trust me, it's about as easy as it gets.
It's just a simple 3-step dance. 1, read a question in the survey. 2, hop over to the app and do that thing. 3, hop back to the survey and just answer yes or no. That's it. You just repeat that little loop for every question.
Let's walk through a real example to make it super clear. So let's say the survey asks, could you create a new meal plan? What do? You flip over to the app and you try to do exactly that. Create a new meal plan. Simple as that.
Now, what do yes and no actually mean? Well, yes is easy. It means everything worked just like you thought it would. No means, well, anything else. If you got confused, if something was slow, if a button didn't work, if it wasn't a totally smooth ride, you answer no.
All right, you've done the work, you're almost there. Let's talk about the final and most important step, sending in all that amazing feedback.
This is where you become a superstar tester. Anytime you answer no, we just need you to tell us a quick story in the comment box. Just 3 little things. What did you think was going to happen? What actually happened? And any ideas on what would have made it easier for you.
So, once you've gone through all the questions, doing that little loop for each one, the only thing left to do is hit that big submit button. And boom, mission accomplished.
And I just want to be super clear about this. Your feedback is not going into some black hole. Every single comment, every no, it goes straight to our team. You are literally helping us build and improve this thing.
We are so grateful you're a part of this. Your perspective is everything. So, the only question left is, are you ready to help us make mealtime magic?